Welcome to episode 7 of The Shed. As you can see here, I'm dubbing over the soundless segment. I went to all that trouble hooking up the microphone and everything. Maybe it wasn't plugged in, maybe I didn't have the power turned on, I don't know. But anyway, so the purpose of this episode, as you can see, I've got candles going in the shed. There's no power out there. And the reason for that is that I had a breaker failure. Not a breaker tripping, because you just flip the switch and it's back on. This breaker actually melted and damaged the one next to it. I'll get you a look at that at the end of the episode. So, what I'm thinking may have happened is that we have a 240 volt circuit out there, and we have my wife's electric car charger is connected out there. So that may have been a contributing factor, but the real thing here is that the breaker should have just tripped and not melted a big hole in it like it did. So either way, it needed replaced, and I'll get you a look at that at the end. All right, so the power's turned off and we've got our tools. We got a pair of Grandpa's Klein lineman's pliers, a multi-purpose screwdriver, and a set of wire strippers. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a piece of wire and replace one of the wires that burned up when the breaker box melted. I don't think we need this that long. Here's the new breakers. Okay, so for tonight's episode of Does It Run, we're going to do something a little different. Normally, I like to have an old vintage power tool to see if that runs, but tonight we're just going to flip the switch and see if everything works. I'll take it. Very nice. All right, so until next time, I'd like to say happy Thanksgiving and thanks for watching. Yeah, before we go, I said I'd get you a look at those old breakers. I think it was time for a replacement, don't you?